guys, Chef Donna's here. Welcome to my channel. I'm a personal chef, cooking instructor, and a recipe developer. I love creating budget-friendly, healthy, and delicious meals. So if you're someone who is looking to learn how to prepare healthy meals for yourself, you are in the right place. For today, we're going to prepare this simple dish, rice with chicken and veggies. So I like this dish because it's hearty, it's filling, you get your protein, you get your carbs, and you get your vegetables, and it's under $10. I like to use chicken thighs, which are more flavorful and juicy and soft than chicken breast, but if you like to use chicken breast, feel free to substitute with them. So I'm using just 2 pieces, so I'm just gonna cut it like into bite-sized pieces. So we have 2 nice chicken breasts, and that will be enough. So this whole dish will be enough for 4 portions. Either 4 people, you can invite your friends, or you can have the leftovers. So as for the vegetables, I like to use carrots and mushrooms. So you can substitute them with other vegetables that you like asparagus or broccoli or green beans. The thing why I like using them in this dish is that it's hard to overcook mushrooms because we start cooking mushrooms, carrots, and chicken together. And after you add rice and the water, then if you're using like some soft vegetables like broccoli or asparagus, and then they will be overcooked while the rice is cooking. So with the mushrooms, you cannot overcook them. The same with the carrots, so you can overcook them, but like we only need like 10 minutes to cook rice. So in 10 minutes, you're not gonna be able to overcook carrots, so they will be still nice and crispy but not mushy. Okay, let's give it just rough chop, just little circles. All right, that's good. And we can move here. And I picked cremini mushrooms. They're very hearty, they are not expensive. They're probably like $2 per this package. And you can use all of them, or you can save like few and make an omelet in the morning with the mushrooms. And to see if they are good enough, so if you cut it and they are white, that means that they are nice and fresh. When they are brown, that means that they are kind of going bad. So you either use it or right away, or you can just toss them. Pan is hot, so I'm just gonna add the chicken and let it cook for about 2-3 minutes. Just gonna season it with a little bit of salt and freshly grated black pepper. I like using freshly grated black pepper because it's more flavorful and potent than already ground black pepper, so it gives more flavor. So when they are ready, you'll notice that they, see now they are not ready to stir because they're kind of stuck to the bottom of the pan. So when they are ready, so it will be easy to move them around. So our chicken is cooking for about 2 minutes. So you'll see this little fat that it created already. I'm going to add mushrooms and just let them cook for about 3 minutes or something in its fat. So, and I have it on high, so I'm just going to turn it down on medium high. And because you have on high heat, so it's better to watch it and just stay here so that you don't burn it. Right, I'm going to add carrots now. After the mushrooms are cooked a little bit, so I cooked it for 2 minutes, I'm adding carrots and I'm adding rice. So just give it a quick stir so they're coated with all the fat that we have in this pan created. And I'm going to add 2 cups water. Let's add a little more salt, a little more pepper, and give it a nice stir. Deglaze the pan, and I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes passed, and we can check that. I think almost ready. Ooh, it looks beautiful. All the water is evaporated and absorbed. So I'm just gonna put the lid on, turn the heat off, and just let it sit for about 2-3 minutes, so to kind of puff up and just let it rest. So our rice is almost ready. I'm just gonna garnish it with the fresh parsley leaves. You don't have to, but I think it's gonna look pretty. So if you happen to have any fresh herbs at home in your fridge, I think it will be used to use them. It gives nice color, it gives nice flavor, and it's has some good health benefits for you. So let's check out our rice. I think that it should be done, and let's put it together. So welcome back. We prepared our rice with chicken and veggies, and we have our taste tester, my friend Mila.
Hello.
Actually, this is her kitchen, and she let me use it for my video recordings, and I'm very grateful for that. That's why she's gonna taste this dish and let us know if it's worth or not.
Oh. First of all, it smells amazing. Like you can smell all the freshness of these herbs on top.
A little parsley.
Yep.
And I hope the rice is cooked.
I'm sure.
So it took only 10 minutes, and we just let it sit like for another 2 minutes, so to kind of fluff up a little bit. Salt, pepper, good, a little flavor.
I love it. And you put olive oil across the top of
At the end.
it. It gives it that nice, like, little, like, fruity balance on it.
It doesn't have any fat. I use the fat from the chicken thighs.
It's delicious.
So I don't think it needs more. So
No.
that's this kind of a healthy version. You can add more if you want, but I don't think that it needs. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. And now you can prepare this dish by yourself and share it with your friends, or enjoy the leftovers the rest of the week. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and see you next time. Happy cooking.